Hi, it's me, Hal. It's nature art time. Today. I love nature art. It's so naturey and so arty and all at the same time. Here's what you'll need. Yarn, twine, thread, or ribbon. Glue or tape. Coloring supplies. Paper or cardboard. Safety scissors. A basket or tote bag. Mr. Chewinski! Just kidding, although he is very supportive and also a gentleman. And don't forget your nature goodies! Objects you find in nature can be used to make all different kinds of art. Step 1. Time to organize, baby! Wow! Cool! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! Mr. Chewinski loves those. When you have your nature supplies, lay out everything you found on a clear, flat surface where you can work. Step 2. Time to create! Today, it's time to make art. Here are some ideas to help you get started. Make a collage using different types of nature materials. Place different materials next to each other. What does it look like when you place 2 twigs in a pine cone? I think it looks like a little man, and his name is probably Kevin. Hello, little man Kevin. It's me, Hal. Think about what they remind you of or what looks nice together. Fern fronds remind me of long, beautiful hair, just like my mommy's. I love you, Mommy! Make the shape of your favorite animal. This is Daryl. He's an animal, and he's my favorite. You can use your nature materials along with paint or crayons to make a nature scene. A leaf may look like a sail. Make a boat. Make patterns based on colors or shape. Lay out the design for your nature art before you glue or tape it into place. I made that mistake once, and I made the same mistake again, and then I made it another time or 4. Step 3. Picture time! Time to take photos of your nature art. Share your nature art with me, and Nature Cat, and Daisy, and Squeaks, and your other friends Tutu also as well. I can't wait to see. Step 4. Make more nature art. Plan a nature art show with your friends, and don't forget to invite Mr. Chewinski. He loves a good art show, isn't that right?